Hello everyone, my name is Dimas Pratama, and in this video we will discuss Business law and its role in business world. Business law refers to a two set of rules that regulates business activities, trusting pro company establishment, business agreements to dispute regulation. To main purpose of business law to create legal country, fairness and protection for all parties involved. In practice, business law is very important because it helps business actors understand their rights and obligations, minimize risk and prevent conflict and future and perhaps it include regulation on contract, corporate responsibility, consumer protection, and business competition. By business law, entrepreneurs not only focus not profit but also conduct business in legal, ethical, and sustainable manner. Thank you for attention. The legal framework of business entities in Indonesia. Indonesia dynamic economic offers a fertile ground for business, but navigating its legal landscape is crucial for sustainable growth. This presentation delves into the increase of legal entities, offering insight into their formation, compliance, and strategic implications for both domestic and international ventures. Understanding and regulatory improvement is not merely about adherence, its role about building a robust foundation and further trust and attract investment and mitigate risk in comprehensive market. From local startup to multinational corporation, every business operation within Indonesia borders must comprehend the legal structure available, the responsibilities that come with it. Our discussion will highlight the importance of legal due diligence, the benefit of proper incorporation, and the potential pitfalls of non-compliance. By the end, you will have a clear picture of how strategic position your business for success within Indonesia legal framework. Understanding business legal status, why it's matter, credibility and trust. A legal registered business signal professionalism and reliability to client, partners, and investors. In establish your identity as a legitimate operation, fostering trust and opening doors to greater opportunities. Without proper legal status, business faces an uphill battle in securing contracts, loans, or even basic operational permits, hindering their ability to scale to compete effectively in the market. Access to finance. Bank ventures capabilities and other financial institutions typically require business to have a formal legal structure to qualify for loans, credit lines, for investment. Legal status and often a prerequisite for obtaining various types of foundational necessary for efficient expansion, innovation, and day-to-day operation. It demonstrates a commitment to formal governance and financial accountability. Legal protection. Formalizing your business entity provides a shield separating performing assets from business liabilities. The crucial protection safeguards entrepreneurs from potential financial ruin in the business ensures legal challenge or debts. It also offers contract deposited intellectual property enforcement, and other legal battle ensuring a fair playing field. Operational efficiency. Proper legal regulation streamlines various business processes from obtaining necessary permits and licenses to hiring employees legally. It facilitates smoother interaction within governments against suppliers and customers. A clear legal identity also ensures compliance with tax regulation, preventing future compliance and penalties that can disrupt business operation. Using new structure key business entity types. Perseroan terbatas PT Limited Liability Company. Characteristics separate legal personality, limited liability for stakeholders, capital divide into share based board, medium to large scale business, attractive significant investment public offerings, advantage asset to capital market, perpetual existence, credibility, clear governance structure. Defense tax complex SAP process, higher operational costs, stricter regulatory compliance. Commanditure partnership (CV) limited partnership. Characteristic: two types of partner, active and silent. Only active partner have full liability. Best for small to medium-sized business, family business ventures requiring external capital without full partnership. Advantage relatively simple to express flexible management to minimum capital requirement. Defense tax limited partner have to management rights, activity partner have unlimited liability. PIRMA if a partnership. Characteristic: all partners have unlimited liability and management right and profit loss share among partners. Best for providers, professional service, lawyers, consultants, business with multiple active owners. Advantage: yes to establish share responsibilities, direct for sharing. Disadvantage: unlimited liability for all partners, direct potential for disputes among partners, limited capitalizing. Usaha dagang UDI sole proprietorship characteristic owned and managed by single individual, no legal separation between owner and business. Best for micro business, individual entrepreneurs, freelance. Advantage: easy and clears and to establish for control the owner, minimal regulatory burden. Disadvantage: unlimited personal liability, difficulty and rising capital, limited growth potential, dependent on owner existence. Yes, business entity types of offer and wiki set of benefits and drawbacks. The optimal cost depends on factors such as nature of the business, growth aspiration, capital requirement, and the desired level liability fraction. Careful consideration of this element is vital long-term success and compliance within Indonesia legal landscape. Navigating the registration process, step and requirement. Name, registration, and domicile. Begin by serving your company name through the Ministry of Law, the Human Rights, AHU online. Simultaneously secure a dominant secretary from the local government. With various your business address, this initial step ensures awareness and operational regulation of your cost identity. Date for establishment. Engage a public notary to draft the dates of establishment, akte pendirian, holding company status, association, stakeholder information, and business activity. The crucial document legal defines your company structure and operational acting is a foundational legal blueprint. A from Ministry of Law and Human Rights submit the dates of establishment to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights upon pengesahan akta pendirian. Upon approval, your company officially becomes a legal entity. Granting is covered personal and enabling further regulation steps. Tag regulation in PWP. Obtain tag fire identification number and PWP from the Directorate General of Tax. This is essential for large relationship, obligation, and financial transaction, making your company entry into the national tax system. Business Regulation Number NEB and Business License. Register form and NIP nomor induk perusahaan through the online single exception system. The NIP serves as your business identity number and defending in your business activities. You may also need to apply for specific operation and commercial lanes through the US. Other regulation. Registration. Depending your industry, further regulation might be required, such as BPJS Ketenagakerjaan, Social Security for Rex, BPJS Kesehatan, Health Insurance, and other sector-specific permits. Tying improvement of both test requirement is vital for comprehensive compliance. This regulation for phase in Indonesia will declaring it impose multiple steps in execution in highly adaptable to consult with legal. Professional or business consultant familiar with Indonesian regulation to ensure a smooth and compliant establishment through preparation and significantly reduce legal and potential legal issues. Common legal pitfalls and how and avoid them. Establishing an operational business in Indonesia presents numerous opportunities, but also carries and legal risks. Being aware of commons provide an effectively understanding frame key, ensuring long-term sustainability and avoiding costly disputes or penalties. Identified due diligence failures to conduct through due diligence before entering into agreements for forming partnership can lead to adverse liabilities for activities or diffuse ownership in asset. Worse, they verify the legal standing, financial health, reputation of potential partner or acquisition. Poorly drafted contracts. Vague in contract are primary source of legal conflict ensure as agreements, whether with employer, supplier, or clients, are currently within legal reasons and cover a possible contingents, employ legal professional to ref and draft critical contract to protect your interests. Non-compliance with regulation, ignorance of local laws and regulation including tech labor, environmental and industry-specific rules, and result in financialization, regulation, and over criminal change. Regulatory review and update your knowledge of applicable law and implement rewards international compliance mechanisms. Intellectual property infringement. Failing to register for protect your trademark, copyrights, and patent expose your valuable intellectual property to infringement, conspiracy, conspiring author IP, and less offensive lawsuits, conduct IP search, and register your intellectual asset committee. inequity corporate governance, vague international control, unclear roles and responsibilities, and lacks of transparency in decision-making and led to internal dispute from and mismanagement in by strong corporate governance practice, including regular board meetings, clear politics, and ethical guidance. Proactive legal cons and continuous monitoring of regulatory change are disciplinary tools in mitigating the rise in prestige legal. Expecting upfront can save significant time and resources in the long run, allowing business to focus on core operation with confidence. Ensuring legal compliance for business. Periodicity legal entity formations, type update or regulation, invest in professional legal conscious, implement strong internal governance, protect your intellectual property, continuous risk management.